Okay, good morning all of you. Good morning all of you. In yesterday's class I explained about how stomach works as a mixer and grinder. And today we discuss about the next portion, that is travel of food through small intestine. Small intestine. Here, when the digestion process in the stomach completes, we get a smooth porridge-like a material called chyme. That chyme is acidic in nature. Chyme is acidic in nature because it is mixed with gastric juice, that is HCl here. The acidic chyme, with the help of pyloric sphincter, with the help means here, with the relaxation of this pyloric sphincter in smaller amounts, gradually enters into the small intestine. When this acidic chyme enters into small intestine, the acidity of that chyme recognized by the wall of the small intestine, the nerve cells present in the wall of the small intestine, and give signal to release two hormones, that is secretin and cholecystokinin. The wall of the when acidic chyme enters into small intestine, the acidic nature of the chyme initiates the production of two hormones, that is secretin and cholecystokinin. These two act upon glands like the liver and pancreas and intestinal glands. These two hormones act upon this and initiates the production of bile from liver, pancreatic juice from pancreas, and intestinal juice or succus entericus from small intestine. We know bile helps in emulsification of fats, and pancreatic juice consists of several enzymes which can digest the proteins, lipids and carbohydrates, and intestinal glands secrete succus entericus, which consists of several types of enzymes which can finally convert those all materials into simple form. These two hormones stimulate these three glands when acidic chyme enters into the small intestine, and these three glands produce their respective juices which consists of enzymes, but here bile has no enzymes, and this helps in further digestion of chyme into more and more simpler molecules. Now finally the food is digested. And here movement of food along the length of the intestine, small intestine is a narrow tube which is nearly 6 meters in length. Here this is also the movement, propulsion means forward movement of the food also takes place with the help of peristaltic movement only. Please remember that. Now in the intestine, the wall of the intestine consists of thousands of finger-like projections. Called villi. As they are very small, they are also called as microvilli. Villus singular, villi plural. Now these villi, suppose if you see the structure, it is like this villi. It is like this. It has connection with lymph vessels, and blood vessels, it has connection with lymph vessels, lymph vessel, blood vessel, and it consists of mucus glands in it, mucus glands here and there, which produce mucus, and epithelial cells. These all are epithelial cells. It is lined, so it is covered by epithelial cells. Now this microvilli selectively absorbs, selectively in the sense only digested simple food molecules it absorbs. The absorbed food molecules enter into lymph vessels, some of them enter into blood. Now what is the advantage of these microvilli? Microvilli increase the surface area of absorption. Please remember this thing. Microvilli increase the surface area for absorption of food material. Suppose if you see, if here suppose if you take, it is small intestine wall. At this particular point, small intestine can absorb. Okay, at this particular point, it can absorb food molecule. Okay, but it consists of microvilli. The surface area for absorption increases. Like this, to absorb very effectively the simple food molecules, microvilli helpful with increased absorption surface area. Like this, the food molecules finally enter into the blood, and from blood, the food molecules, simple food molecules, will reach to each and every cell of our body. Now, remaining indigested food material enters into large intestine, which is also called as colon, large intestine or colon. And when it enters into the large intestine, whatever the excess water and useful salts present in that indigested food material reabsorbed or absorbed by the wall of the intestine, large intestine. And finally, the indigested food material, it becomes hard because of absorption of water, and the hard material is called as stool or fecal matter. It goes into the left side of the, we know in digestive system we have like this, left side of the colon, which is called as rectum, Rectum is called as storage tank for fecal matter. Okay, now it is stored up to some extent. Later rectum opens into a pore called anus. Okay, this anus is guarded by again sphincter muscles. Sphincter muscles always close the anal pore. To upper and lower sphincter muscles, both of them. Okay, and here lower sphincter muscle, upper sphincter muscle is involuntary. Whenever the tank fills, the rectum fills, due to the pressure exerted by the stool or fecal matter on the wall of the rectum, the upper sphincter muscle relaxes, and lower sphincter muscle is under our control. Okay, that is why when we get urge for defecation, releasing out of stool or fecal matter is called defecation. Get urge for defecation automatically. We move to the concerned area, that is toilets. Then the sphincter muscle relaxes, the fecal matter come outside. Sending out of fecal matter from our rectum is called as defecation. Defecation, please remember this. Now this is about the digestive system. Now if you observe right from the beginning, to digest the food molecules by digestive system should work in a coordinated manner with other systems like the nervous system, because nervous system only sends signals. Glandular system, which secretes saliva, which secretes enzyme, which secretes gastric juice. Muscular system, peristaltic movements, stomach shedding, these all are muscular system. And transport system, because simple food molecules are absorbed into the blood and transport to each and every one. And at the same time, these the organs of digestive system also need food molecules to work, because they are also made of cells. Those food molecules are supplied by the same transport system. And coordination system. Coordination means hormones. Chemical coordination, hormones, secretin, cholecystokinin, these hormones are secreted by endocrine glands. Okay, like this number of systems together they work and carry out digestion process. That is why we have taken this as an example for coordination of life process. And one more thing here you need to remember, that this is very important here. In our body, the alimentary canal right from top to bottom, alimentary canal, top to bottom, mouth to anus. The alimentary canal or gut, 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 or digestive tract or gastrointestinal tract. From mouth to anus, it is padded with number of nerve cells. Padded with means it is covered with number of nerve cells. In our body, after the brain, more number of nerve cells are present. Along the length of the digestive tract. After the brain, more number of nerve cells are present here, and this system is called as enteric nervous system. Enteric nervous system. This enteric nervous system is also called as second brain. Second brain in our body. Why it is called as second brain means, this digestive system or alimentary canal is capable to withstand for different types of stimuli. How sometimes we take very cool food, sometimes very hot food, sometimes very sour one, sometimes salty one, sometimes we take spicy one. Means we are subjecting our digestive system to different types of food materials. Our digestive system is capable to withstand to all these type of stimuli. How means because of the presence of this enteric nervous system or second brain. And most of the immunity system to our body is because of this enteric nervous system and digestive system only. Because whatever the food we are eating regularly through that food, number of microorganisms may enter. If they really go into your body, definitely we get number of diseases. But on and off regularly, the digestive system is killing in one or another way those microorganisms. If they are stronger than that system, they try to expel outside along with in the form of vomiting. Like this. Entering nervous system and digestive system not only carrying the process of digestion, merely they do not handle only digestion process, they are also responsible for immunity power of our body. Like this, along with the nervous system and other systems, our digestive system, our gastrointestinal tract, our digestive tract, our gut, our alimentary canal is able to digest the food materials from complex to simple one. This is about it. And if you take a respiration, if you take as example respiration means, what is the main purpose of respiration? The main purpose of respiration is releasing energy from the food material. Here for that They need oxygen. The cells need oxygen to get energy from the food molecule. That oxygen we inhale. We inhale air. From that air, oxygen is taken into the blood. Blood takes away that oxygen to each and every cell by combining with hemoglobin. And carbon dioxide is removed in the same way. That means to release energy, here respiratory system, transport system, all these things need to work together. And mechanism of breathing. Inhalation and exhalation of air is involuntary, means it is not under our control. That means involuntary functions of the body are controlled by medulla oblongata of our body. That means again it is connected to the nervous system. Like this here, whatever it may be the system, all the systems which are present in our body, they are not independent. They are always dependent on one another. Okay, either directly or indirectly, one system always depends on other systems. Okay, no system in our body, no particular system in our body can work individually. Either it depends on other systems, either directly or indirectly. Please remember this. Okay, this is all about coordination in life processes. Here you need to learn the microvilli diagram. Okay, microvillus diagram, singular villus. Okay, that is for 2 marks. Okay, in tomorrow's video I will start heredity from parent to process. Okay, please go through this lesson. Once you go through this lesson, whenever you get the leisure time. Okay, thank you.